The smart way to clean your phone's memory without losing any file that the developers kept secret. Now, if you're interested to learn this, then come closer. Let me show you in less than 1 minute how to achieve this.
Alright, come over to your TikTok account this way and locate this very search icon at the top right hand. Click on it. It will appear this way. Now, come inside this search bar and type this full stop only and click on search. Now, it will open this way. Locate this view your watch history and click on it. Allow it to open to another interface. Now, in this interface, these are the videos that you have watched over time. Now, if you scroll up, you will understand that there are many. There are so many. Okay, what you just need to do in this interface is to locate this filter by date. Click on it. Now, select all dates and click on apply this way. It will now return back like this. What you just need to do again is to click this select at the top right end and come down to this select all watch history and click on this dot white circle. It will highlight all of them. What you just need to do again is to move over to this delete all and click on it. And once it appears this way, click on delete. It will clear everything off the screen. It did not just end there. Click on this return bar and return back to your TikTok this way. In this interface, click on your profile icon. Now, allow it to open like this. Click on this 3 parallel line. Now, head over to settings and privacy. Now, once you click on it, scroll up down to free up space. Click on it this way. There are 2 options available here for you. One is cache. The second one is download. Now, click on clear cache and click on it. You can also go ahead to clear download, but if you clear download, it will clear also the videos that you have downloaded from TikTok. So if you have any important videos or file you've downloaded from TikTok, then you don't need to click on download. Okay, but if there is none, just go ahead to click on download and click on it again to clear it off. Now, by clearing all these things, it will create enough space from your memory space on your phone. Kindly do well to clear your memory space using these very procedures, and don't forget to share for others to benefit. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that you won't be missing out of any of our tech related tips like this. See you in my next video.